Hello, students and scholars of the third grade. My name is Ms. Pagan and I am a remote teacher. I am also a virtual content specialist. And today I'd like to share with you the introduction and the explore sections of this lesson. We will be using a Google Jamboard. And in this Google Jamboard, we will use the tools on the left-hand side. Pay very special attention, students and scholars, to the first tool, which when you click on it, you'll notice a new window will open up. We will be using the pen and the highlighter. Also, on the left-hand corner where the tools are located, we will go down on this toolbar and click on the Shapes tool. Once you click on the Shapes tool, you'll notice that a new window opens up. We will also be using tools, different shapes, to show or demonstrate our knowledge of different types of polygons. Finally, students, we will be using the text box so that you can write your thinking in any of these pages on the Google Jamboard. Let's begin. You are now in Module 7, Day 8, drawing polygons with specified attributes to solve problems. And your focus question for this lesson is, how can we draw different types of polygons? In this module, you have been learning about polygons and classifying polygons according to their attributes. Today, we will draw these polygons. Let's begin in the introduction section. In this introduction section, the directions say, use the shape tool to draw some polygons below. Draw at least one that has parallel lines. Students and scholars, parallel lines are lines that are straight and do not touch. Here is one example for you. In this shape or polygon, the green lines in this shape are parallel. They do not touch, and they are straight lines. You will use the shape tool, or you may select to use the drawing tool to draw at least one polygon in the blue area. Make sure that that polygon has at least one set of parallel lines, lines that are straight and do not touch. You may select to draw more than one polygon as well. You may pause the video and press play when you are ready to continue. Students and scholars, I'd like to draw one polygon with you. You will notice that I will click on the Shape tool. Once I click on the Shape tool, a new window will open up. I'm going to select the square. Once I select the square, I'll click in the blue area, drag, and open up my shape. I notice that this is a polygon. It is a plane shape with more than 3 sides. It is also a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. Now, according to the directions, I have to make sure that I have one set of parallel lines. I'll click on the ruler that is located on the bottom of this page, drag it, and check to see that my lines are straight. Well, here's this line on the bottom of my square is straight. The opposite line is also straight. I now have 2 straight lines that do not touch. I'll click on the top tool, select the highlighter and green, and highlight these 2 lines to show that I have created one polygon with one set of parallel lines. Students and scholars, you may select to use the Shapes tool to draw more than one polygon. Perhaps you've chosen the triangle. This is also a polygon with 3 straight sides. Or you may have selected to choose a rhombus, a quadrilateral with 4 sides. Remember to click on the Shapes tool, click on the blue area, drag and spread apart your shape. Let's continue to the Explore section. In this Explore section, the directions say, use the Draw tool to draw a quadrilateral that has 4 right angles. Also, that the sides are all 2 inches long. Use the 90-degree tool and the ruler to check. On the right-hand side, the directions state, draw a quadrilateral with at least one set of parallel lines. Let's begin with the activity on the left. You will use the Draw tool or the Shapes tool to draw at least one quadrilateral, one polygon or shape with 4 sides. Make sure that there are 4 right angles by using the 90-degree tool, and also that all 4 sides are 2 inches long by using the ruler to check. You may pause the video to complete this activity on the left and press play when you are ready to continue. Students and scholars, I'll select to use the Shape tool. I'll select the square and drag the square into the blue area. I know that this is a quadrilateral because there are 4 sides in this polygon. Afterwards, I'll select the 90-degree angle tool. Click and drag to the corner of my quadrilateral. I'll place the red square in the corner to check that I have a 90-degree angle. Students and scholars, you can click on the 3 dots, click Order, and bring to the front so that you can check each corner. Well, this is a 90-degree angle. I'll click again and rotate. I'll check the top corner. It is also a 90-degree angle. I'll click again and rotate, placing the red square in each corner. This is also a 90-degree angle. And finally, I'll check the bottom right corner by placing the red square into that corner. This is also a 90-degree angle. My quadrilateral has 4 90-degree angles. I'll click on the ruler and drag the ruler to each side to verify that it is 2 inches long. I might need to click on my square and drag and open up my square until it is each side 2 inches long. 2 inches long. The top is also 2 inches long. I'll use the Rotate tool and check the final 2 sides. 2 inches long and 2 inches long. I now have a quadrilateral that has 4 right angles and each side is 2 inches long. Now let's go to the final section of the Explore. Draw a quadrilateral with at least one set of parallel lines. You can use the Shapes tool or the Drawing tool. Press pause and press play when you are ready to continue. Students and scholars, I'll select the Shape tool and select a rectangle. I'll click in the blue area, drag, and open. I know that in order to have one set of parallel lines, there must be 2 lines that are straight. So I'll check using my ruler. Here's one straight line. Here's another straight line. Both the top and bottom straight lines do not touch. So I'll click on my pen, select the highlighter in green, and highlight the parallel lines. Now, students and scholars, after you have completed this Explore section, you may click on the next section and complete the summarized sections with your teacher and write down what you notice about this student work And what questions do you have? And finally, answer the focus question. How can we draw different types of polygons? This is Ms. Pagan, and today I have used a Google Jamboard with the specific tools of paint, or rather a pen and a highlighter, and the shapes tool to draw different types of polygons with specified attributes. Feel free to write questions and comments on this YouTube video so we can continue to support you as you complete your math lessons.